Today, let's have a reading practice using A and N. This is a book. This is a book. A book. This is a car. This is a car. A car. This is a dog. This is a dog. A dog. This is a frog. This is a frog. A frog. This is a bag. This is a bag. A bag. This is a vase. This is a vase. A vase. This is a house. This is a house. A house. This is a bird. This is a bird. A bird. This is a kite. This is a kite. A kite. This is a girl. This is a girl. A girl. This is an apple. This is an apple. An apple. This is an egg. This is an egg. An egg. This is an insect. This is an insect. An insect. This is an orange. This is an orange. An orange. This is an Umbrella. This is an umbrella. An umbrella. This is an envelope. This is an envelope. An envelope. This is an oven. This is an oven. An oven. This is an owl. This is an owl. An owl. This is an eye. This is an eye. An eye. This is an ant. This is an ant. An ant. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.